you guys, we're going to be continuing doodling our cartoon characters by doing this guy and blowfish, I don't know what it's called, but we're making these. Let's see how it's done. These two are all done being dremeled. Not even sure what their names are. Hopefully this right here, for some reason this plywood was chipping pretty bad, so hopefully I can sand this out. I kind of underestimated how pain in the butt it's gonna be, so I'm gonna use a marker to trace the lines so that I know where the white is cut off, and then brush it all with black. Guys are done. Last minute this guy was added to the roster, I guess, and so I didn't videotape it because it's the same process as these, but this was the most fun one because these two kind of came out somewhat, they're okay, they're exactly what they were supposed to be, but they're a little boring. And then I think it's Squirt is really nice and cute, so figured we'll do the closing shots and the thumbnail. Pretty easy project. These two super easy. This one became a little difficult because I had to brush on the black, whereas these were pretty easy, just finished with the marker, and so it took very little time to do. Look how cute they are. So, great project, real easy if you want to try doodling some cartoon characters that are simple, and I'll see you guys on the next video.